Most training doesn't fail because the content is wrong. It fails because it's hard to engage with. Too much text, not enough clarity, and very little that actually sticks. With AI making it easier than ever to create content, the real challenge isn't creating more. It's creating something meaningful and worth engaging with, and something that operationally makes a difference in the business. We take a different approach. We design training that's easier to understand, practical to apply, and built to work. Using a combination of strong learning design with the help of AI-powered content creation. Our learning offering is built around two core components: fundamental learning programs and micro-learning pods. Effective learning needs structure, a clear progression, defined outcomes, and the right balance between depth and reinforcement. Without structure, content quickly becomes noise, but with the right structure, it becomes learning that actually sticks. Fundamental learning programs build that foundation. Micro-learning pods bring it into the day-to-day through short, focused, standalone, practical content. Within fundamental learning, there are two main approaches. The first is multimedia learning, designed to be dynamic, visual, and engaging. This includes the following two options: fully interactive topics, where learners actively engage, clicking, exploring, making decisions, and completing in tutorial assessments, and multimedia topics, using the same rich mix of media in a more guided watch and learn format. Both use the same powerful combination of visuals, animation, and storytelling, with interaction and assessments being the key difference. The second approach is presentation-style learning, a simpler, more structured format. Think PowerPoint, but designed to keep people engaged, clear, efficient, and easy to roll out. We then extend that learning through micro-learning pods, short, focused, standalone content built from training, SOPs, or business material delivered as key insight videos, slide decks, posters, and guides, or audio content, keeping learning practical, accessible, and reinforced over time. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, AI. It's everywhere, everyone's using it, and yes, it's powerful. So how do we use it? Not on its own. We use AI to move faster, to create more, and to explore better ways of building content. But what makes it work is how it's structured, because that's what turns content into learning, and learning into something that actually sticks. The result? People engage, they stay focused, and the learning shows up where it matters, on the floor. Because more content isn't the answer, better training is.